Alright, playing your video there. Who am I playing? Boboy Aripol. Boboy Aripol. 5 million people in their LS. Alright, thank you so much. Aksaya, don't you worry. I will play your video after this one. This one. Alright? Alright. For Akshaya family. Who am I? Who am I? Aksaya, another Nindy of mine playing your video, your new latest upload. Alright, that's the one. So, two Nindia is playing your video. Alright, your latest upload, Aksaya. Ay, andyan pa si Ate Leti. Oo, kasi si Aksaya kailangan din niya ng watch hour, Ate Leti. Mabait yan. Aksaya, connect with Ate Leti B. She can also help you with your subscribers and watch hour. She is very supportive. A Filipina friend also, my friend. Ate Leti B. Get connected with her. Ate Leti, hi friend, happy weekend. All right, are you connected with her already, my friend Aksaya? Third angels of mine is playing your video, my friend. Latest upload. You're welcome, Aksaya. Thank you also for the visit, my friend. You're welcome, Aksaya. Thank you also for the visit. All right, 3 angels of mine playing your video, Aksaya. All right. This one, 2 of this.